Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in BrookHaven roleplay, and I'm going to show you how to get on top of the hospital. So first you need to find the hospital, and I don't know where the hospital is at the moment, but I'm gonna look for it. So the hospital is all the way over there. Okay, I see it right there. So first you need to go to this closed store here with all the costs and stuff under construction, and you need to take this one of the ladders because you're going to need that. You can't do this without the ladder. This is the main thing that you need, and it should be really easy to get the ladder. You just need to click it. And then you go to the school and you can go to this tree. This is how I do it. And place the ladder here. It might take a second for the ladder to work, but if it doesn't work, then you have to go back. Yeah, see, it's not really working very well because it's stuck. So I'm using literally like one of these things and it's not working, then it's just not going to work. So you have to get another one, and it's probably going to be in tools, but it's most likely not in tools. Yeah, it's not in tools. So you can only go over to the place to get a ladder. That's strategy. So, okay, so it's standing up now. So it needs to stand up correctly next to this. Oh gosh, that needs to stand up correctly near the tree. It can't be laying down. Yeah, great. Okay, so once you get it close enough to the tree that you can like climb up it, or you can just jump if you're tall enough, but I'm pretty sure my character is short. Yeah, my character is short, so it definitely can't get up this tree without. So now you have to try and get onto one of these things. I don't recommend what I'm doing at the moment because it's really stuck. And then when you get on there, make sure don't fall off. If you fall off, it's not going to be very well for you. It's not going to go very well. Then you jump onto this platform, and if you do this tree right here, then you jump off of the lime green. If you jump off of anything else, you're most likely going to fall. And then you go over onto the next tree, climb up from the dark green to the red to the lime green to this green, and then you try to jump, and it takes some time to get the jump because it's like a far jump, not that far, but pretty far. So, I mean, you can try to do it without the ladder. And I mean, you can just, and another easier way is you can just use the ladder, go up here, and then you can just try and jump here again. But, yeah, I'm going to do it the easier way. So change of plans. So again, you need to try and get the closest and highest point. There might be some items that can help you if it's like long items that you can put on the floor. But right now, there's not really much that can help me. So, okay, good. So I use this so that I could bounce onto there, and then I could double jump. So the thing would bounce onto this, so it wouldn't let me fall. And then I could double jump and jump onto here. And then to get all the way up, you need to go past this up here, and bam, you are all the way up on top of the hospital. This is a pretty good secret because you can't find this ladder anywhere but in the costume place. So when that is finished building, you can't do this anymore. So it'll be good if you see this video between like 3 days that it came out, because it's still going to be relevant and working because the ladder isn't in the inventory, and you can look, see, no ladder. Oh, wait, what? There's a ladder. Well, there's a ladder. Never mind. You can do this anytime you want. But yeah, this is just a little trick. I don't know if anyone else knows this, but nobody else is here, so I'm pretty sure nobody else knows this. But yeah, thanks for watching. You can subscribe if you want more tips and more videos like this. And make sure to put in the comment section what you want me to do next and recommend me games, like story games and stuff to play. And I also might have another person to play with, so we might set stuff up. Also, shoutouts are for XxSkylerxX209. She is my best friend and she's really nice, and I honestly should give her more than a shout out. But I'm gonna give her a shout out. And if you see her in Roblox, just tell her that I told some people from YouTube that she's nice, and she is nice. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.